In this video, we will use the Android Studio emulator for the first time and we will accept the Android licenses. First, you will click on Create a new Flutter project. Then you will click the first one, First Application, and you will say Next. You will then go on the project name and call it, by example, Flutter App Testing. Now we need to have the good Flutter SDK path. If it's empty for you, then you will click on the three dots and you will go find the SDK path. It's on your home, Flutter Dev, Flutter, and you will see you have all the files inside. This is the good path. Good. Next, you have the project location. Just remember where it's saved. So you click Next, and you have just to click Finish after. And this will create our first Flutter project. You will see the little pop-up right there. I will just click on Fix It. If you have it, just click on Fix It. Good. So now Android Studio is loading. This Android Studio is a big program, so it takes time to load. And it's normal. Then you will click on AVD Manager. So I will click on the icon, and then you will see a pop-up will appear. If you have no device, you will need to create a new virtual device. Otherwise, you can just fast forward if you already have a device. I will click on Pixel 4, I will say Next, and then I will download the latest Android version, which is the Air version. Maybe you will have a newest version. That's good. Next, I will click on Accept, and I will say Next. I will fast forward the downloading, and at the end, I will just click on Finish. When it's ready, you will click on Finish, and you will say Next to go on the next page. Okay, so we have the Android virtual device, and we can modify things, but everything is good. We will just click on Finish. So we have created a new virtual device. I will click on Play, because I want to open this. If you have a pop-up like this, just click OK. It's not a big deal. It will still work. Then you have the would like to access your microphone pop-up. I will just say OK. And then you see this is the emulator. It's currently loading. If your computer is not very good, it may take a lot of time. So I will just fast forward again just to don't lose too much time. Maybe you will have this pop-up. You just click on Close App and it should be good also. If you have problem, just try again to relaunch the emulator. Eventually it will work. Then you will click on the play button at the top. And this will launch your first Flutter app. So this may take a lot of time. If your computer is very bad, it will be long, maybe 5 minutes. So I will maybe fast forward this part also. And here we go. We have our first Flutter app. It's the very basic app that Flutter gives us. It's a counter app. You just press on the plus sign and it counts numbers. I will just quit the emulator. So you will see a little pop-up. I will say, okay, no. And I have quit the emulator. Now what we have to do is to accept the Android Studio licenses. You will press on Command Space and you will open the terminal. Inside your terminal, you will write Flutter Doctor. So this should open, this should run something, and you will see Android Studio, Android Toolchain, this section. And you will need to accept the Android licenses. You will copy this code and you will paste it. Flutter Doctor Android licenses. And you will press Enter. So I will just make sure that no space are allowed. So make sure that it is like this. I have put this on the screen how it's supposed to be written. You will press Enter. And then they will ask you multiple questions. You just press Y to say yes, and you press Enter to say okay. So Y, Enter, Y, Enter, Y, Enter. Just to accept all the licenses. And after it's done, then you will write Flutter Doctor again. and you will see you have the check mark near Flutter, and you will have also the green check mark just near Android toolchain. That means the Android licenses has been accepted successfully. You can quit the terminal. We have launched the Android emulator for the first time. It is working fine. We have accepted the Android license also.